Snapping its 10-session rising streak, equity benchmark Sensex tumbled 264 points on Wednesday as investors booked profits in Reliance Industries as well as IT, finance and FMCG stocks amid mixed global cues. However, a recovering rupee and sustained foreign fund inflows restricted the fall, traders said. After touching its record intraday high of 48,616.66 in early trade, the 30-share BSE index pared all gains to end 263.72 points, a 0.54% lower at 48,174.06. Similarly, the broader NSE Nifty fell 53.25 points, a 0.38% to 14,146.25. It touched a record peak of 14,244.15 during the day. ITC was the top laggard in the Sensex pack, shedding 2.86%, followed by Reliance Industries, Bajaj Finance, Axis Bank, HCL Tech and HUL. On the other hand, Power Grid, Bharati Airtel, ONGC, Ultratech Cement and ICICI Bank were among the gainers, spurting up to 4.34%. Global equities were mixed as investors monitored a key election in Georgia which can give Democrats control of the U.S. Senate. A favorable outcome for Democrats will enable President-elect Joe Biden to go ahead with his plans of more stimulus and infrastructure spending, but can also result in higher corporate taxes and increased regulation. Market is experiencing volatility due to weak Asian market and profit booking owing to rich valuation. Banking stocks are supportive, led by good loan growth data for Q3 FY21, announced by key private banks. In the near term, trend of the broad market will depend a lot on fee inflows while stock-specific actions will be based on Q3 result, which is about to pick up, said Vinod Nair, head of research at Geojit Financial Services.
BSE Energy, FMCG,
IT Tech and Auto indices fell up to 2%, while utilities, metal, telecom, basic materials and power indices rose up to 2.19%. In the broader markets, the BSE Midcap Index rose 0.39%, while the small-cap gauge slipped 0.14%. India's services sector activity expanded at a slower pace in December as rate of growth in sales eased to a 3-month low and staff hiring came to a halt amid weak business optimism, a monthly survey said on Wednesday. The seasonally adjusted India Services Business Activity Index fell from 53.7 in November to 52.3 in December. Elsewhere in Asia, bourses in Shanghai and Hong Kong ended on a positive note, while Tokyo and Seoul were in the red. Stock exchanges in Europe were trading firm in early deals. Meanwhile, the global oil benchmark Brent crude was trading 0.99% higher at $54 per barrel. The rupee appreciated by 6 paise to close at 73.11 against the US dollar. Foreign institutional investors were net buyers to the tune of 986.30 crore rupees on Tuesday, according to provisional exchange data.